guys, my name is Mati Chhabra. I am an advocate, model and a personality coach, and welcome to a day in my life vlog. Actually, we will be vlogging tomorrow because tomorrow is my shoot for Hero MotoCorp. It's a brand that we have been grown up hearing about. We've had their vehicles in our house, and to be actually shooting for them is like a big achievement or achieving a milestone, I would say. I'm really excited for this one. I have shot for some really big and good brands, and this is one of them. So I am really looking forward to it. Whatever I do tomorrow, I am gonna show, try to show all of that to you all, jitna bhi possible hai in my capacity, thinking and keeping in mind the rules they have on their set. Apart from that, abhi ke liye, I have done my skincare. I've washed my hair. It's really cold in Delhi, तो सुबह तो मैं नहीं wash कर सकती hair. I have to leave my house for like around 5:30. So just imagine at what time I'll wake up, get ready, have my breakfast and all of those things. So I've already washed my hair, did my skincare, packed my bags like my handbag and my model bag. I have also prepared my outfit for tomorrow. I have kept aside the accessories and outfits they have asked me to bring, and all of that things are been done. उसके अलावा आई विल व्लॉग टमोरो, लाइक डिपेंडिंग अपॉन मैं कितनी जल्दी उठती हूँ, मैं टाइम पे हूँ या नहीं. इफ़ आई एम ऑन टाइम आई विल डेफिनेटली टेक यू थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ गेटिंग रेडी फॉर अ शूट और अ शो. And if not, then I'll see you in the cab because cabs are my savior. Till then, good night, guys. Hi guys, good morning. It's around 7 a.m. I left my house at 5:50ish. It is very far from my place, but ठीक है, early call times कभी कभी चलते हैं. I am the only one to be here right now, and one costume person. He is setting up his iron and stuff, and this is the only stuff that we have for now. Everything is empty, no one is here. The studio is really big. It's in acres, I assume. And whatever happens next, I'll take you through. For now, I might have some snacks. I have these healthy snacks with me, makhana and makhana chips. I know not the healthiest option, but something better than nothing because I have to have my medicines after this. So I'll keep you updated. Bye. So I'm gonna do a quick property tour. I can't cover the entire space, but whatever I can show. This is just 1/4 or I think 1/3 of the property. A quick washroom check. Pretty clean and decent. Since it's a huge property, multiple toilets to use. That's a plus point. Let me show you the other side of the property. I would say it's not just a set, there are multiple sets. It's a huge property. I just saw my set. I won't show you until we start shooting. So yeah, this is the second half of the set. It kind of looks small, but it isn't in reality. I mean, the property is huge. Another set. I had quite a few options for breakfast, but I took like banana, sabzi and 2 sandwiches because I don't eat puri and the dalia was sweet. And this is my view. It's pretty cold, like not pretty but very cold. Guys, I want to show you the best thing that I found on the shoot today. Just wait for it.
Oh my god!
It's this cute little baby. Hi cutie. Sorry. आप सो रहे थे? Come. Hi. Shana. no. सो जाओ. Oh, there's one more. I didn't meet him before. Hi, cutie. Are you interested in being friends with me? Are you? You're wagging your tail. I think you are. A quick update. So we were done with the first shot by 10 a.m. and it's approximately 2:30 and अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. Some of us are sleeping, eating, scrolling mindlessly, but कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा. I just have one more shot to go. एक हो चुका है, एक और बचा है. Don't know कब होगा. And I'm assuming it will be done by like 7ish, 8ish or so. It will be approximately 12 hours for this shoot as well. But hoping for the best and I'll keep you guys updated.
Generally, check and then again, try looking into the mirror. Yeah. Try and just turn bodily for a bit. Correct. Yes.
Just got done with the pack up. It's 6:30 p.m. right now, so approximately 11 and a half hours on the set plus one and a half hours to the set and one and a half hours back home. Oh my god, that was a long day and I was running on 2 hours of sleep, but it didn't feel like that for some reason. I'm glad it didn't, but I'll quickly see you when I reach home. Hi guys, I am home finally. It took me 2+ hours to reach home क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक था. बट उसके बाद घर आई, मेकअप उतारा, स्किन केयर किया, हैड माई डिनर, पेंडिंग काम करी, प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट डे, वीडियो अपलोड पे है. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. अभी व्लॉग एंड करने का बारी आई, बट आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू शेयर माई टुडेज एक्सपीरियंस. इट वॉज वेरी नाइस एंड हम्बलिंग. सो अभी तक मैंने जितने भी शूट्स करे हैं, आई एम अ मॉडल एंड आई एम रेफर्ड एज अ मॉडल की. मॉडल का कॉल टाइम क्या है, मॉडल की कॉस्ट्यूम्स कहाँ हैं, मॉडल कहाँ है, मॉडल का मेकअप क्या है, एंड ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. बट टुडे फॉर सम रीजन दे वर कॉलिंग अस आर्टिस्ट्स और एक्टर्स. सो आई नो मॉडल्स आर ऑल्सो आर्टिस्ट, बट बोलते नहीं हैं. एंड आई रियली फेल्ट डिफरेंट, अ गुड डिफरेंट, बिकॉज आई गेस उस एडवर्टीजमेंट में, उस डिजिटल में मेरी कुछ लाइंस थी जो मुझे बोलनी थी एंड इसीलिए वो मुझे एज एन एक्टर रेफर कर रहे थे. मुझे लगता नहीं था या लगता नहीं है दैट आई वांट टू डू एक्टिंग एज सच, बट वो लाइंस इतनी फ्लुएंटली और इतनी इजीली निकल गई. मे बी वो लाइंस बहुत इजी थी इसलिए, बट इट रियली फेल्ट गुड. एंड अगर वो वीडियोज़ जो हैं, उनके डिजिटल्स जो हैं, वो अपलोड हो जाएंगे उनके पेज पे, then I'll definitely add those in the YouTube video as well. बट अगर वो अभी नहीं अपलोड करते हैं एंड वीडियो पहले आ जाता है, देन मेक श्योर टू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, क्योंकि वहाँ पर तो मैं ये डिजिटल ज़रूर डालने वाली हूँ. बस इस ब्लॉग के लिए इतना ही. गुड नाइट. मैं सो रही हूँ. आप जब भी देखो इस ब्लॉग को लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट कर देना. एंड मैं एक और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो के साथ बहुत जल्दी आऊँगी.